Hello, little scientists. Are you ready to test some objects? Today's science story is called Floating or Sinking. Let's explore water together. On the table was a bowl of water. There were many objects nearby. Let's see what happens, the kids said. A leaf was placed on the water. It stayed on top. It floats. Next, a rock was dropped in. Splash! It went down to the bottom. It sinks. Some objects float. Some objects sink. Water helps us see the difference. The wooden block floated easily. Air helped hold it up. The metal coin sank quickly. It was heavy and solid. A big boat floated too. Wow, said the kids. Big things can float. The shape of an object matters. Some shapes trap air and help things float. The kids tested more objects. They watched carefully like real scientists. Floating or sinking depends on weight, shape, and material. Science is everywhere. Great listening, readers. Now that you've heard the whole story, let's learn some new words together. Are you ready? Let's go to vocabulary time. Float means to stay on top of water. Things like a leaf can float. Sink means to go down to the bottom of water. A rock can sink. Water means a clear liquid we can test things in. We put objects in water to see what happens. Heavy means having a lot of weight. Heavy things often sink. Light means having a small weight. Light things often float. Awesome job learning the new words. You did amazing. Now, let's see how much you remember from the story. Get your thinking caps on. It's time for reading comprehension. What stays on top of water? A. Float. B. Sink. C. Jump. What goes to the bottom? A. Float. B. Sink. C. Fly. What floated in the water? A. Leaf. B. Rock. C. Coin. What sank in the water? A. Boat. B. Leaf. C. Rock. What helps objects float or sink? A. Color. B. Weight and shape. C. Sound. Now let's make it super clear with our mind map. Look in the center. Here is our happy water bowl. Follow the curvy lines to each bubble. Leaf. The leaf stays on top. That means it floats. Boat shape. The boat shape also stays on top because its shape holds air. It floats too. Rock and coin. These go down to the bottom. That means they sink. Different shapes. Even if objects are made from the same material, their shape can change what happens in water. So remember, some things float, some things sink, and shape, material, weight can make the difference. Great experimenting, little scientists. Now you know why some things float and some things sink. Try testing objects at home. See you next time on StoryPop Science.